We are now living through such a dark, surreal time. It's true, it's real, it's happening. Danger is omnipresent.
Pneumonia outbreak in Wuhan, China.
A new type of coronavirus.
The number of affected countries has tripled.
The World Health Organization has just declared that this is a pandemic.
Going global, 60 million plus cases, almost 1.5 million deaths.
I've developed mild symptoms.
French President Emmanuel Macron.
President Bolsonaro has.
Press Secretary Kayleigh McEnany.
Donald Trump
tested positive for the coronavirus.
160 deaths in the past 24 hours.
Several thousand workers have gotten sick.
We've been told that this virus will disappear, but it will not.
The Covid-19 pandemic has changed everything. It has drastically disrupted our lives in unprecedented ways. It robs us of our happiness and compelled us to change our daily routines and get disconnected from the physical world. The feeling of being incarcerated, mounting fears, anxiety, stress, and depression, these are all ignited by this period of uncertainty and insecurity. And sometimes, all we want is to escape from this coronavirus-filled reality.
But COVID-19 infections in India soared past 20 million.
We are all living through a period of history that is proving to be very difficult. Our nation and the rest of the world is going through a very trying and uncertain time. COVID-19, a highly infectious disease from Wuhan, China, has spread rapidly worldwide with an unprecedented scale of impact. The number of new cases and death is continually accelerating dramatically. It has put the global health systems under immense pressure and stretched others beyond their capacity. Sports halls and stadiums have been converted into hospitals. There is severe and mounting disruption to the global supply of personal protective equipment, widespread shortages of oxygen, medicines, and care beds. Many people are dying on the street outside hospitals as the countries struggle to cope. Millions of healthcare workers were infected, thousands died, and these numbers are continually rising elsewhere throughout the world. Morgues and crematoriums have run out of space and resources to cremate dead bodies. While on one hand, we are largely confined to our homes, with businesses and educational institutions all shut down in an attempt to contain the virus. On the other hand, doctors, healthcare workers, and medical staff members are leading the battle against COVID-19 from the front, putting their own lives at risk with selfless determination for the sake of saving lives. They truly are our heroes in these challenging times. The sacrifice that they are making for the safety and welfare of humanity is priceless and deserves lifelong gratitude on our end. And while they're putting their own health, families, and most importantly their own lives at risk, the best thing that we can do to extend our help is to appreciate their heroic efforts. Let us pray for them and for everyone. Cooperate by staying safe indoors and by following the health and safety protocols. Today, we are all adapting to a new normal. And although this new normal may appear challenging and at times scary, we are all in this together. We will move forward and survive this storm together. We are resilient, and as a community, we will lift each other up during this tough time. Let's embrace the uncertainty and remember that when nothing is certain, anything is possible. Yes, the pandemic has been so hard, but there's always a silver lining. With God, nothing is impossible. We can make this through.